Camp Bold is taking over Zoom, and here's your guide to work the platform and get the most out of camp. A Camp Bold schedule will be sent to your email. There's 4 sessions each day with 4 different rooms in each session for you to pick from. Each room, whether A, B, C, or D, has its own link and meeting code. You will use the same link or code throughout the entire week for each room. There's 2 ways you can join each session. Option 1 is as easy and simple as just clicking the link in the Camp Bold email. Option 2 is going to the Zoom website and clicking Join a Meeting. Then it will ask for a meeting ID, which is found in your Camp Bold email. Next, type in the password and you're in. You may have to wait for the host to let you in. Just be patient. Once you're in the session, you can turn on your video by clicking the camera so we can see your smiling face. It's located at the bottom left of your screen. And if you want to talk, turn on your audio too by clicking the microphone. You can also switch between different views, whether that's the gallery view to see everyone who's in the session, or the speaker view, which is just the person who is talking. By clicking participants at the bottom, you can see everyone who is in the session. And at the bottom of the column on the right, you can raise your hand, but virtually. And you can lower your hand too. You can also give a thumbs up or clap by using the reactions on the bottom bar. You can make your Zoom full screen by clicking the square in the top right corner. If you ever want to leave a session and jump into another one, click the red Leave button in the bottom right corner. Happy Zooming!